Hi guys, in today's tutorial we will be crocheting this cute chicken. It is pretty easy and fast, great for markets, and it's a no-sew pattern, so I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and let's go to the video. We will start with a magic ring, wrapping our yarn over, under and across. Now we will grab our hook, go under this yarn, grab the one on the top and pull it around our hook. Now we will grab the yarn on the top again and pull it through the loop in our hook. Now we will do 6 single crochet into the magic ring. To do 1 single crochet, we will insert our hook into the magic ring, then yarn under, pull through the magic ring, yarn over and pull through both loops in our hook. We will do 5 more and then we will close the magic ring by pulling our starting yarn. And remember to make 2 of these wings. Now we will work in the body. For this we will do 8 single crochet into a magic ring. For round 2 we will do 8 increases. For an increase you just have to make 2 single crochet into the same stitch. I'm also going to use a stitch marker at the beginning of the round so that I know where I have to finish, and at the end of this round you should end up with 16 stitches. We will start round 3 by doing 4 single crochet, and I'll meet you back to do the last single crochet by performing a color change. For a color change we will do a single crochet as we usually do, but instead of yarning over with the white yarn we will take our other color, yarn over and pull through both of the loops in our hook. Now we will do a bubble stitch. To do a bubble stitch we will yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn under, pull through the stitch. Now you should have 3 loops over your hook, yarn over and pull through only 2 of them, so now you should have 2 loops over your hook, and we will repeat this one more time into the same stitch. Now you should have 3 loops over your hook, and we will repeat this one more time into the same stitch again. And once we have 4 loops in our hook, instead of yarning over with the same color we will go back to white, yarn over and pull through all of the loops in our hook. To continue with this round we will do 4 single crochet, another bubble stitch, 5 single crochet, and you should end up this round with 16 stitches. For round 4, we will do a repeat of 1 single crochet and 1 increase. At the end of this round, you should have 24 stitches. For rounds 5 and 6, we will single crochet around. This means we will do 1 single crochet per stitch. We will start round 7 with a decrease. To do a decrease, we will look at our stitch. It has 2 loops. We will take only the front loop of the next 2 stitches. Then we will yarn under, pull through both loops, yarn over and pull through both loops in our hook. Then we will do 2 single crochet and we will repeat this until the end of the round. At the end, you should have 18 stitches. In round 8, we will add our 2 wings. We will start by doing 3 single crochet and then I'll meet you back to do the wings together. Okay, now we are going to add our first wing. I'm going to place it just before the feet of the chicken. However, if your tension is not constant along the project, it is possible that your wing ends up a little bit after or before the feet. If this is your case, you just have to do more or less single crochet at the beginning of the round. So to add our wing, we will insert our hook through the first stitch of the wing, like this, and now we will insert our hook through the stitch in the main round, which would be this one. And now we will do 1 single crochet as we usually do. Yarn under, pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops in our hook. And now we will insert our hook through the last stitch of the wing and into the next stitch of the main round and do 1 single crochet. Then we will do 8 single crochet, add another wing and do 3 single crochet. As I said previously, it's possible that the other wing is not aligned with the feet, so you just have to do more or less single crochet to place it as you want. For round 9, we will do 6 repetitions of 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. At the end of this round, you should end up with 12 stitches. For round 10, we will do 6 repetitions of 1 increase and 1 single crochet, and you should end up with 18 stitches. For the next 3 rounds, we will single crochet around. For round 14, we will do 6 repetitions of 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. You should end up with 12 stitches. Before we continue, we will add our safety eyes between rounds 11 and 12, 5 stitches apart, and we will add as much stuffing as we can. Also, remember that you can find the written pattern in my Instagram if you prefer that format. Also, I opened my Etsy shop, and you can find in there the PDF pattern of this no-sew dragon and no-sew panda. For round 15, we will do 6 decreases, and then we can cut the yarn and fasten off. To finish, we will insert our sewing needle through the front loop only of each of the stitches, and then we will just pull the yarn and it will close our project. To finish, we will embroider the peak of our chicken between our two eyes. And there you go. I hope you liked the tutorial and I'll see you next week. Bye!